So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for choosing to click on today. This video is super exciting, so let's get started. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I'm probably starting this video a little bit different than normal, but I just wanted to actually introduce you to like a day in the life of my life. Currently I'm working from home, and also I wanted to share something very, very special with you. Something that I think will help maybe a lot of people, because I know it's that time of year now where it's the end of year. I know people are happy celebrating Christmas and they're thinking, you know what, but what have I really achieved this year? And this is something that I think a lot of people tend to go through, these kind of thoughts by the end of the year. But however, I've got a little source of power that I've been using recently to help you boost yourself and to motivate you, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you today in today's video. As you can see, I'm already wearing it because I wear it every single day. Whether I'm dressed casual, whether I'm working from home, I always have my little special power with me. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. So here she is. So this is my little source of power. It was kind of gifted by a brand called Vidawheel. I'm going to do like a quick mini unboxing, but however, everything's right in front of you. The packaging came, it was absolutely stunning. There is a little message letter there that it gives you like 4 bonus offers included within the actual package itself. As you can see, the necklace comes packaged in a beautiful large box, and within the box there's another box as well. You also do receive a set of tarot cards. Now these tarot cards are kind of like not just any or tarot card, they actually have like affirmations that are written on the back. And what I tend to do is I actually keep these on my office desk. Bear with me, I'm just going to insert that video in this next clip. So here I'm at my desk, and like I said, I keep this actual set of cards at my actual desk. And what I tend to do is sometimes when I'm on my break, I'll shuffle through them, and then I pick a card. Once I pick the card, then I look at the actual card itself and actually read what the message is written on the back of the card to me. So normally it's like a question on one side, and then you get like to me they seem like affirmations, and they're so powerful. So as you can see, there's an affirmation written on this side, which I do tend to read and repeat like 3-4 times. I just feel like this is such a useful way to manifest greatness into your life. And now let's get to the piece of resistance, and that is the actual amulet itself. So obviously they allowed me to pick from one of their selection of goddesses that they have, amulet goddesses, and I went for the one that symbolizes to boost wealth energy into my life. And I thought, well, you know, obviously we're all working to get rich, aren't we? Or we're at least trying to be comfortable in life. So because I'm pretty much, I think everywhere else in life currently is good. You know, life is good, personal life is good. So I just needed that boost as far as like my career side is concerned. So I selected this little mini goddess here, and like I said, what she's designed to do is she's called the Dimitri Dollar Amulet. I hope I've pronounced that correctly. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And then I had like a very special date that was engraved on the back of the actual necklace as well, which they did for me. This date symbolizes something very special. It was a very special day to me, and if you know me, then you know what this date is. And however, I will be sharing that with you guys later on, but not right now. Anyways, moving on. So with this necklace, it helps to boost energy, wealth energy. And as you can see, it's such a stunning piece of art. And around the actual amulet as well, there's like little mini dollar signs. I mean, it's just so cute. I mean, it's gorgeous. It's more than just an accessory. It really helps me feel boosted and motivated every single day, in conjunction with the actual cards as well. It really helps me with like being productive. You know, like every time I feel a bit like flopped, I kind of hold my necklace, my amulet in my hand, and I focus again, which is really, really good. It's very subtle, but it's very powerful. Sometimes I feel like it gives like boss vibes. You know, if you're that one lady that's out there who's trying to, you know, run her own business and is chasing her dreams, sometimes you just need that little boost to help you grow and progress and be where you want to be. So do I have a discount code for you guys? Of course I do. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to link that below in the description box for you guys, and I will add my discount code and obviously the website and also the necklace that I have chosen today. Well, that was my short mini review for you guys. And what I'm going to do is I might even do an update, because like I said in my little short as well, that I have recently started a brand new job. So I'm going to see how me wearing this amulet helps me within that job role as well. And also I'm going to look out for more like little things, and I will update you guys on that definitely. But so far so good. So if you are struggling to find a unique present for somebody, I think this would make such a beautiful gift as well. It's something different. It's not like something that everybody would have. If you're into kind of like manifestation, positive vibes, developing your life, wanting to move forward, or you just want something that's going to give you that strength, because I know a lot of women go through a lot of things in life, and sometimes you just need something to remind you that, you know what, you're on the right track and you're going to be okay. So without further ado, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. Here is another clip of me wearing the necklace, because I've worn it pretty much every single day this week, just to boost that positive energy, wealth energy into my life. So till next time, take care. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget, there is a discount code. I will link that, and that's Simran, and that's for 10% off. And I will also link the website and the necklace below. Till next time, guys, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.